Hi, so for this problem, I think what I would do is to try to box in the entire shape. So I am going to draw a line straight across the top here. And when I do that, you can see that I get one big rectangle, and then I also get a couple of little triangles. So you can see that there's these right triangles here. There is a little bit of a hint in the directions of the problem that you're going to use Pythagorean theorem. You can only use Pythagorean theorem when you have a right triangle. So I would do a couple of things. First thing that I would do is notice that those two triangles that I have are the same size. So that means that this 56 is going to get split in half. So each half there is going to be 28 along the top. And then you can try to figure out how big the missing sides are on that triangle. So you're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to do 10 squared plus x squared is equal to 28 squared, and go through and solve that. So if I do that, I can figure out that each of those missing sides is approximately 26.15. I did round that answer. So then from there, I would try to find the area of the triangle. So if I try to do the area of the triangles, I would do the base times the height divided by 2. So I'm going to do 10 times that 26.15 and then divide by 2. And that'll give me the area of each of those triangles. So if I do that, I should get about 130.77. I did not round my answer when I did that, so I used the full decimal from my Pythagorean theorem when I calculated that. Then I think from there what I would do is to try to find the area of the entire rectangle. So if I was going to do the area of the entire rectangle, I can do 56 times 29. Which gives me 1624. So then to get the area of the actual shape that I started with, I would just take the 1624 for the whole thing, and then I would subtract both of the triangles. So I would subtract 2 of the 130.77, and that'll give you your answer for your area. Hopefully for the perimeter, you've got all the information that you need to. You know, we figured out these missing sides here. We call them X when I did that here. And then this other side would also be 29. So you just have to add everything up to get that. Hope that helps.